You said you're gonna think about it for a couple of years. Man, these animals don't have a couple of years.
True.
What does it say?
If you were in this animal's position, how urgently would you want at least 10 years? That's true.
Just think about that.
Yeah.
Let me add you to the club. We're trying to connect with more vegans and
Yeah,
vegetarians.
for sure.
Let's get your info here. Amazing. And this one is just about dairy. This is like artificial insemination that happens in India and here. Cows are taken away. You don't need it anyways for health. These are all the alternatives. So any coffee shop you go, you can easily, instead of cow titty juice, you can get almonds, soy, oats. You get vegan cheese, you get vegan ice cream. Even like Ben & Jerry's has vegan ice cream, right? So there is absolutely no excuse left for not being vegan.
That's true.
Awesome, man. Good talking to you.
For the reality check.
Yeah, my pleasure.
You have